Guys, what am I supposed to do? Stupid ass shouldn't have jumped on me. Okay. What's up, y'all, man? Okay, look. I'm a noob at this game, obviously, as you can see with the levels. Not really a noob, but like, just not really that good at the game. How about that? Let's just say that. Let's just say that. My KD's like probably like a 1.3 or something like that. FPSs or something I always play for the shooters. But Destiny is just something different. Alright. So obviously you can tell I'm not really that new at the game. But basically what I'm saying is I'm not good at the game, okay? Alright. So what I'm gonna do is hop in this bitch with shotguns and snipers only, okay? I'm gonna try my best not to get pissed off. I'm not really that good at this game. I mean, I have a lot of weapons. So, I mean, like I got all this other shit, you feel me? You know, all this other shit. I'm just gonna hop in with shotguns and snipers only. Not using any of my other weapons. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a sniper and shotgun challenge, you feel me? Alright? Sniper and shotgun challenge, alright? Anytime I don't get a positive KD out of these 3 games, I will delete one of my, what do you call this shit? God roll weapons, I guess. So example, my spare rations, I'll have to delete this. My Duke, maybe I delete that. I don't know if you really call that a God roll. Or my blast furnace. Only my kinetic weapons, okay? I'm not gonna delete any of my energy weapons. I mean, I don't know. Whatever the fuck. Or maybe my kindled orchid. I don't know. Whatever the fuck. Alright. So let's hop in this bit. Alright, what's up y'all? We in. We in. Let's see if I can get me a positive KD real quick. I don't have my okay, there's 1 kill. That counts. That counts. That counts. Still positive. Still positive. Still fucking positive. Don't worry about the accuracy. Woo! Okay. Okay. What do I do, y'all? What do I do? What do I do? Fuck, I hit his body. Shooting for his head. Oh. Guys, what am I supposed to do? Stupid ass shouldn't have jumped on me. Alright. 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 Are you fucking for real? Dude, she's so black. Oh. Oh. Yeah, okay. Mm, mm. Well, I mean, I think I'm still positive, right? Oh! Oh, I'm your father, bitch. I'm your father. Okay, 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 okay. Chill out. Oh! I'm beasting on these kids right now. They should be fucking embarrassed. Are you fucking for real? Dude, what's up with ARs in this game? I feel like I'm playing Call of Duty. Alright, 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 alright. Oh! Head gone. Oh! No, no! Get off chat! Oh, shit. I apologize to everyone who saw that. Okay. Awesome. Oh! Boy! That was clean. That was clean. Now I have no ammo. So shit like this, like, what am I supposed to do here? Like, who's not running a special weapon in 2020 on Destiny, bro? What the fuck? Alright, if that made no sense, you can roast me. I don't give a fuck. Oh! Your head's gone. Get better, bro. Get better, please. Please get better. Oh, okay. I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that. I was getting a little too thirsty. I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that. Let's go. Thank you, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank God I had the warm mask on. I would have died if I didn't. Where the fuck are these? Oh, okay. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. Dude, my teammates are saving my ass. No! Oh, no! Oh my, I suck. I suck, guys. I fucking suck at this. Dude, how am I this bad? I can shoot niggas running around, but I can't shoot somebody that's flying in the air. These, I can't talk shit. I can't. I'm using a hunter. I can't talk shit. I'm gonna snipe his head off. Watch this. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. Watch this. Watch this. I lied. I lied. I lied. Oh my god. I'm like the Draymond Green of Destiny, my guy. I'm complete doo doo. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Woo! Get me out of here. What a fucking bitch. I didn't hit her? In what universe did I not hit her? Bruh. Come on. Am I trying to snipe too much? Is that what's happening right now? Come on, man. I'm not dominating shit. You're trash. Hit your shots next time. Maybe I want to hit your ass. Please, please don't be negative. Please. Please don't be negative. Please, please, please don't be negative. Please. 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 Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. Okay, first game I'm good, bro. First game I'm good. First game I'm good. 2,200 damage, 240 damage. These guys right here, embarrassed. Should feel embarrassed. I don't need to delete any of my weapons. So that's a positive, right? Hopefully y'all didn't come in here to see me just catch some L's, because I don't think that's gonna happen. I really don't think that's gonna happen. Alright, man, I'll see you next game, bro. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. We're going into the next match. It's looking good so far. It's looking good so far. It's not looking like I'm gonna get too pissed off.
Okay. So first of all, this match isn't gonna fucking count. So yeah, yeah. So just wanted to let you guys know that. That's one down. If I get turned on, I'm trash. Are you? Oh, what the heck? Do you see what I'm like? Okay, look, guys, look. Do you see what I'm like? That's stupid as like. Okay, I didn't even look. Oh my gosh, man, this is definitely fucking. Look at this, bro. Like, are you fucking serious? There's a reason why I didn't say grenade launchers and snipers, because that would be too fucking easy. Okay, okay, okay. We got this. Watch this snipe, y'all. Watch this snipe, y'all. Okay, I don't know where he is. I can't snipe him if I don't know where the fuck he is. What the? Oh, you're so good. Good job. Should this game count? Should this game count? I just want you to answer that question. Should this game count? Fuck it, whatever, bro. This weapon, this weapon right here, should go to someone who deserves it. Let's unlock it. Bye. I'll miss you. If I had my full team from the beginning, I wouldn't have went negative. I can promise you that. All right, this is the game. This is the game right here. This is the game right here. Niggas don't even want to dance out here, bro. Pop up. Stupid. I don't know why you would do that. Woo! You 80, 801 stick dies? Imagine calling the bot stick. That's what 81 is, right? I don't. Sounds like it. Kind of like R2D2, like or like a number and trash can. Dude, what are y'all doing? They suck. I suck too. So I mean, it levels out. Slide shotty. What is this game, y'all? What is this game? Dude, that would have been a headshot too. I think I'm gonna go positive this team. I think I'm gonna be able to do it. I think so. I think I'm gonna be able to do it. Hopefully. I don't know. Uh, if y'all got any ideas for any other games I should play, bro, especially during this time, like I'll take. What the? Okay. All right. What? Okay. All right. Am I tripping? I should have made that shot right. All right. I should have hit right. Ha ha, dummy. Ha ha, ha ha, dummy. Melee! Thank you. Jesus Christ. Are you fucking serious, game? What? Teammate, where are you? And I'm trying to have fun. Annoying it. Alright. Shoot! I can't with this game. Jeez. What? Dude. I can't. I can't do this, man. Can we do something, man? I'm not trying to get blown out by these bums. You're so good, dude. Like, it's just insane. Like, you know, I'm a character who can take damage from the fucking sun, from fucking void energy, but I can get one tap by a shotgun. You know, it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, the sense that makes is like it makes so much sense. Like, it makes so much sense, dude. You know. I don't have two shots because I'm using two special. Oh my god. Please finish him. Thank you. Isn't that surprising? Isn't it surprising? Man, I'm a fucking liability, dude. Damn. Imagine being below me and I'm using shotguns and snipers only. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Well, that was my 3 games. So, fuck, bro. Look, alright, I'm a man of my word. I'm gonna go in here. I just don't know which one to get rid of. See, this is 9/11. Damn, what should I get rid of? Fuck it, I'm just gonna get rid of this, man. Well, yeah, that's it. So, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed the vid. Enjoyed me getting pissed off a little bit. I'm just happy I didn't get as mad as I usually do, because usually I'll just get completely pissed off at this game and just close it. But yeah, man. Yeah. Well, that's it for the vid. See y'all later, man. Get ready, because I have some more challenges I'm probably gonna end up doing. Yeah, man. That's it. I'm signing out, man. Peace.